If you no longer need this Google Files app because of one or the other reasons, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall it or remove it from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, there are two ways or two methods you can use to delete or uninstall Files app from your smartphone. First, go to your apps and scroll down until you see Files. As you can see, Files is here, and if you just long press on it, we have an option to uninstall it from here. If you are missing this, then you can as well uninstall this app from Google Play Store. Just go to Google Play Store, search for your app by name, and you can see here it is. If you tap on it, you can see we have an option to uninstall it. By clicking on uninstall and confirming this will remove the app together with its files from your smartphone. However, you have to note this will not delete your photos. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Google Files app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.